Ideally located at the foot of the slopes of the exceptional ski area of Val d'Isère in the historic village, the heart of the resort, Le Parc 1963 features 11 exceptional apartments developed with refinement, offering breathtaking views of the unique panorama of the Bellevarde Massif. Each space has been carefully thought out and designed in the smallest details to provide a personalized mountain experience. The destination par excellence for high-altitude skiing, Val d'Isère has always been synonymous with sporting values and winter pleasures. This authentic village centers around its bell tower, as well as a legendary ski resort to which enthusiasts and connoisseurs are passionately loyal. This vast landscape in the heart of Vanoise offers a truly extraordinary skiing experience. It is one of the Alps' most outstanding panoramas, at the foot of the dual ski area of Val d'Isère unrivaled mountain range. The snow sports possibilities are endless, whatever your level of experience, elegance, and authenticity. This architectural vision brings alpine spirit to life with a sense of elegance and authenticity. Every last detail in this exceptional, precision-designed residence has been carefully thought through. The chalets gives pride of place to antique wood and stone and blend seamlessly into its natural high-altitude environment. Atypical and elegant exteriors, inspired by and respectful of local architectural style, imbue the signature chalet with a distinctive identity. Le Parc 1963 offers an inclusive living experience, providing its residents with a range of exclusive and exceptional services. For winter sports enthusiasts, the ski room offers a dedicated and perfectly designed space for storing and maintaining equipment. There is also a cozy yoga room for immersing oneself in tranquility and relieving muscular tension after a delightful day on the slopes. Additionally, an essential fitness area equipped with the latest generation of state-of-the-art facilities is available for those who aim to maintain optimal physical fitness. Finally, Le Parc 1963 provides a high-end concierge service, uniquely distinguished by personalized assistance and attentiveness to meet all the logistical needs of the residents. The combination of exclusive and tailored services, along with remarkable architectural elegance, makes Le Parc 1963 the ultimate address for a luxurious living environment designed for those seeking exceptional residence at its peak. The apartments have been styled and designed to meet each customer's requirements. The precision layout always serves a specific purpose, making space for excellent design without any ostentation or austerity. A remarkable signature touch combines with an authentic identity in this new chalet in Val d'Isère. Please contact our passionate team to get all the details and choose the best unit.